Okay, hello everyone. Today we have a Jackson. I believe this is a Jackson rrx24 camo. Yeah, he's in for setup work. So basically, want to down tune to C sharp. Other than that, want to put copper shielding on the cavity. So basically, in the cavity, there's no shielding at all. So copper shielding all around the main cavity. Other than that, possible upgrades in the future could be locking tuners because the tuners is a bit off. So that is recommended for the next upgrade. So if you have any questions, do let me know. This is the processes for pro setup. So enjoy. I see you soon. Bye. Okay, if you like the content, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Other than that, you can WhatsApp me at 84189951 if you have any questions. Bye.